Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add a text in our video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. This time I add a sample video clip in timeline. And here it is. Now let's say if we want to add a text on this video clip, then at first we need to create a video track. To create a new video track in timeline, simply right click on this blank space and select Insert Video Track. Now click on this blank space of this track and then right click on this and select Insert Text Media. And then here you see a Video Media Generation tab. To change the text, simply remove this text and type your own text. This time I type DJ Spark Review. Alright, now I select everything, and to change this font style from this drop down menu, I just simply choose American Captain font, and here it is. Now to change this font size from this drop down menu, choose any of your preferred size. Also, you can make your text bold, italic, or also you can change the alignment of your text. To change this font color, simply expand this text color option. And using this color picker, you can easily change your text color. Makes sense, right? Now I set it in white. Also, using this scale slider, you can easily scale up or down of your text. Now, if you want to move this text position, simply expand this location and set your preferred position of the text. You can do this in another way. On the preview, simply hover over the mouse on your text and set it anywhere you want. On the advanced settings, here you see we can also change our text background, line spacing and tracking. Also, if you want to add outline of your text, then simply increase the value of outline width, and by default outline color selected white. To change this color, simply use this color picker. Awesome, right? And finally, shadow. If you want to add shadow of this text, then simply check this shadow enable. Here you see, we just successfully add shadow under this text. Also, we can change the value of shadow by x-axis and y-axis. Also, you can add more blur effect using this shadow blur slider. So in this way, we can easily add text and customize them. Now I just close this one. This time I just scratch it like this. And now let's play this clip.
Everything and see what it's all about.
So we got the Spark. Here's one battery, which is pretty small and super light, and all you need is either not
And then Jedi back.
wow.
Now if you want to cover up this text in your whole video, then simply scratch this like this. Alright. Now what happens if you want to add super cool transition effect in your text? Actually the process is pretty simple and straightforward. Simply select this transition tab, and here you see a bunch of different transitions are available. And this time I choose this cross effect category and select the default one and click and drag it right here. and I just simply close this one and zoom my timeline a little bit more and increase the length of this transition time. Alright, now let's play this clip.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're doing a little bit of a...
Awesome, right? Look, this super cool transition.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're doing a little bit of a bonus video because...
Now let's set my text track right here and add another transition effect and the very end portion of this text block. Text track actually. Now I close this one. Let's play this clip now.
And maybe the smartest drone from DJI ever. And today we're going to do a full review on this.
Pretty cool. So in this way we can easily add text in our video and customize them in our own way. Thank you so much for watching.